What is going on YouTube? Crypto Chemist here, back again with another video for you guys. It is Josh here, and we are bringing back a new platform, 3COMMAS platform, a smart trading terminal and auto trading bots, and advanced tools for crypto traders to increase profits while reducing risk and minimizing your loss. So these guys have professional tools for automating trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. The grid bot is really important to remember, guys, because it is gonna bring you the most profits. Now, the grid bot creates profit opportunities so you don't have to do a thing with minimal effort. Like I said, simply select the coin and your desired initial investment, and the bot will automatically buy when the price drops and sell when the price rises. Easy as that. Launch the grid or learn more about it, and it'll bring you guys all the goodies. So the bot will basically help you take profits with the littlest amount of effort. You can discuss it in the 3COMMAS community. Here's how you can actually have this intuitive interface help you quickly and easily launch for the first time. One, selecting the coin. Two, setting the range in which your bot will purchase and sell the coin, and adjusting your strategy for maximum efficiency. The backend actually looks like this. Super easy to actually set up your AI strategy, and then you got the steps to use the grid bot, which is register, connect your exchange, choose a bot mode, and then run the selected strategy. Now, adjusting your grid bot via the two simple options as well is one, the bot analyzes the price volatility on your selected token for the last 7 days and forms price channels and price extremes for trading. And two, the grid bot actually divides the investment amount in the bot between the left and the right side in selected pairs and sets up a limit buy and sell order grid within that channel. Now, once the price reaches a buy or sell line, it will automatically perform the trade on your behalf. Launch it right here, super easy. And you've got the manual mode as well, and you can test it out right here. Super easy. The price range, the number of grid, and the growth, the grid width that you can see right here in the percentages, and you can set up the bot right away. Super simple, super easy to get into, and you guys should be utilizing it right now. Now, they got the dollar cost averaging, the DCA trading bots, suitable for traders of any experience level. You can be a newbie, you can be an expert, but you can use this to the maximum level that you're gonna make some profits off of it. The DCA strategy is the practice of investing through regular intervals to reduce the risk. More information on that can be found here. The DCA bots is the practice of investing into a currency at preset intervals to reduce the entry price of a position over time and mitigate volatility risk. So for example, when you enter a position with a lump sum investment all in, basically you run the risk of purchasing highs only to see the price drop and end up with a losing position. Now, you must choose whether to hold or cut at a loss. Nobody likes doing that. However, if you DCA, you can divide your investment into smaller pieces and buy the asset at various points over time at different prices, therefore getting a better average price for your position and greatly reducing the risk from the consequences of volatility and buying at an all-time high. You don't want to do that. Great for traders of any level. Look at this example. You got 5,000 cash and decide to invest 1,000 every 30 days for 5 months. Price with DCA is $85.50. Price without DCA is $100. If the price at each time and every time were $100, $90, $80, $70, $95, your average price would be around $85. Versus if you had entered entirely of your investment at the beginning, you would have paid $100 per share, almost 20% more. Now, the one tool, the different modes, what type of trader are you? No experience, you can choose that, or the pro trader, you can choose that as well. Defining your trading goal, like I said, super duper simple. Choose the bot, connect exchange, apply configuration, and view the stats go up and up and up. Look at the daily profits on some of these bots. They're insane. Almost 3% on these bots. They're crazy. Daily profits of 3%. Think about that in 30 days, man. For 60 days or 90 days, you would be making a lot of profit. It's insane. Now look at this, more features. Obviously the smart trading terminal with the trading view integrated in. The indicators are actually integrated into the platform, so you can create your strategy based on 20 trading indicators in a single easy use interface. Let's jump into more information about that, and they've got a nice little video actually showcasing the back end of things. All the links will be in the description below for you guys to check that out. Now the smart trade right here, the 3COMMAS offers you a smart trade terminal for trading cryptocurrency exchanges. The smart trade is an exclusive feature of 3COMMAS paired with trading view indicators for advanced traders and beginners alike. Level up your skills today with smart trade. As you can see, a beautiful platform with multiple currency exchange charts with trading view signals simultaneously in one place, telling you where the profits are lying. The simultaneous take profit and loss indicators, the stepwise profit making with the step sell, trading view charts and signals, trailing orders to take profit and stop losses, and smart cover, all in one place for you guys to utilize to the best of your ability. You can increase your profits, enter into a position, and protect that position. So no more FOMO. Use a stop loss or trailing stop loss to protect your assets and not have to worry. The trading terminal supports 23 popular crypto exchanges like Poloniex, Binance, BitMEX, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Kraken, and so on and on and on. So they have a lot of huge partners. Now they've got a nice social media account right here at the bottom, so you can see that their Telegram account is quite huge, and this is got over 10,000 members in there, which is incredible. And they've got a Twitter account, of course. Largest crypto trading platform, providing traders with the ultimate control over their positions on more than 23 exchanges or more than 5 billion monthly volume. Insanity. If you guys want to keep in touch with what is going on their platform continuously, definitely check out their Twitter. Hit that follow button, because they do provide a lot of cool information on here, and they are keeping the community updated on a regular basis. Now, why do traders choose 3COMMAS? Well, they've got some testimonials here talking about they've got helpful guidelines, a great experience, cool service, user-friendly interface, and these guys are out here really putting out their face in there and talking about it because the community loves these guys. Like I said, other trading tools, they've got the marketplace, so you can trade via signals from other users of the community. So you trade with your friends, trade with other mentors. Options trading, obviously more than 15 strategies in place there. The paper trading without money, so test strategies safely and without any risk. You've got copy trading, market making bots, you got trading bots for stocks and HFT trading. So these guys are becoming really huge, man, and there's a ton of articles on this platform. They've got a news and blog section, so you can totally check out their partnerships. In partnership with Binance, huge shout out to them for that. 3COMMAS in the news, obviously on some of the biggest news platforms, including Cointelegraph. So you guys know these guys are lit. Now they've got the application. This is really important, so you can manage your positions in one tap with the 3COMMAS mobile app, and download that for your iPhone, for your Apple products, and your Google products as well, because they do have a beautiful, simple app to use for you guys to make some extra profits. Now, huge shout out to the 3COMMAS platform, one of the most beautiful platforms I've looked at in 2021. And if you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're not. Josh Wakefield here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Chemist out.